The demo I will now show is taken from this paper, so path planning using interval and graphs, published in Reliable Computing. So the problem taken here, the problem considered here is a problem of piano mover problem, to move one robot from one place to another. So if you want the source code of the PDF of the paper, everything is given on my website. So let us now consider this paper. So in this paper we consider the problem of moving one object from one feasible point to another. So you have the notion of configuration space I will show on the demo, and the idea is to build a graph of boxes. So here you have boxes, connected boxes. So if a box is touch another box, they are related by an arc. So if you have for instance this set of boxes, we can associate a graph, this graph for instance. So if the box 1 is related to the box 2, you have an arc between V1 to V2. So you have the graph. So in this graph you can find a path, for instance the shortest path using the A-star algorithm or the Dijkstra algorithm. You can find the shortest path. So let us now consider the software demo made with Qt here. So here you have on this widget you have the robot or the object, and on the left, so it is a working space here and the configuration space here. As you can see, when I move the mouse from the left to the right, the object on the right move like this, a translation. When I move like this, I have a rotation. So of course I can combine both the rotation and the translation. Here it is the initial configuration. Here B is the final configuration. As you can see here, you have one obstacle and another obstacle. You are not allowed to touch the obstacle like here. This configuration is not feasible. This one also is not feasible. So the idea, so what we have to do is to move like this to find a path, a feasible path. You are not allowed to touch obstacles. So as you can see, sometimes you can be blocked. You don't know, but at the end you should be like this at the end. So we'll show now two algorithms. The CV algorithm first, which will build a paving of the configuration space, like I will now show. So CV algorithm builds a paving. On each of the red boxes, you are sure that the object does not touch the obstacle. On the blue boxes, you are sure that you will touch one of the obstacles. So using some kind of branch and bound algorithm named here CVA, you are able to find the path. So let me now follow the path from A to B. So of course I move, and you see on the right that the object moves without touching the two obstacles. Of course it is unuseful to bisect everywhere, to study everywhere, but the CV algorithm did it. So remember that interval analysis is used here to prove that all configuration here or all configuration here are good or bad. As soon as you know that all of them are good, you do not need to bisect the box anymore. So you have a faster algorithm named Chameleon. Chameleon, let me start it. It will bisect not everywhere, but only when needed. So let me start it. As you can see here, in green, you have the current path it tries. So at the end, you obtain exactly the same path. But here, you did not bisect everywhere, only when needed. So let me follow again the path. Of course, the path is feasible. So now you have different options in this software. You can find, for instance, you can show the collision-free path. So you are sure that here you can see the two obstacles. So you are sure that the two second obstacles are still visible and that there is no collision. You have also some possibility to show the motion, and that's finished for this demonstration. Thank you.